and we're going to kick off here. Let's do it. All right, guys, here we are. We're live on the first ever, I've got the wrong tile up, the first ever final of Scalper versus Scalper. Sorry, Jacob, I've got the wrong tile up. Let me just start this again. Let me start this again with the right tile. Let me start this again with the right tile. I'm sure we can get the right tile here without any issue. Let's just load it in. Okay, so guys, this is the first ever Scalper versus Scalper. Why didn't you guys mention it to me? You should have mentioned. You should have mentioned. Right, we're going to find the Scalper versus Scalper tile, which I believe is in here. Scalper versus Scalper final. That's it. Boom. Here we go. Let's start again. All right, so we got the first ever Scalper versus Scalper final. Guys, kicking off here with, we've got Aaron, we've got Jacob. We're about to get into it. In fact, guys, if you want to be looking for trade setups now, please do start looking for them because we've got an hour and a half. The timer starts now. I will set it to end at the half-hour mark in about an hour and a half's time. So what is it all about, guys? So if you haven't met these two before, they are traders from the UK and Sweden. And do you want to just quickly say hello to everyone, guys? Aaron, maybe you go first.
Pardon?
Do you want to just quickly say hello to everyone and maybe tell them quickly what you've been up to?
Yeah, so hi guys, my name's Aaron. I've been trading for around 3-4 years now, and I prefer scalping than swing trading. I recommend that you guys get involved in this. Good thing to get involved with.
Cool, brilliant. And Jacob, what about you? What have you been up to?
Yeah, hi guys. So I've been actually taking a break from Forex again for like 2 weeks. But yeah, right now I'm back. I'm back at normal again. So yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, guys. Well, look, I'll let you guys start looking for trades. We're going to go through for the guys here tuning in. We're going to let you know how it all works. But before I do, I want to see some likes on this video so that we can get a whole bunch of people on here for the final. So, guys, if you're watching, you haven't liked yet, hit the like button. It's probably going to kick this YouTube algo into gear and get a few more people on here watching this. So, guys, hit the like button if you haven't liked yet. This is how it works, right? So, it's 1.5 hours. Approximately, so it's starting now. These guys are looking for trades. You got to gain as much and as any amount of trades during that time. You can follow the live scores here at tradingnut.com/live streams. There's a link at the top of the chat, and there's also a link below the video if you're watching on YouTube. So if you want to see what the scores are, if you leave and come back, it's a good place to go to see where things are at because it's going to go for an hour and a half. So if you can't stay for the whole time, then go in there, check out the scores. Don't ask in the chat. Just click the link and I'll update that page. Now, refresh the page to see the latest results. That's the only thing you need to do. Right, so this is where we're at. So we had, you can see here, let me grab my little pointer. You can see here we had Matthew taking out this first round here with 1.24. Aaron came in this round here, beating out Geraldo, who was actually also in the Trader vs. Trader challenge, and I think he got to the semi-final of that. He didn't make profit. He was just under with minus 0.09. Jacob had a solid 1.83. Took out, I can't actually see who you took out. I think it was a guy called Atul. And then Foz, a professional trader, 15 years veteran, sits in a room, trades with a whole bunch of people. He did 2.08, won in the last few seconds. Jacob beat him, 15-year trading veteran, beaten by a 15-year-old trader from Sweden who'd got 2.12. Foz ended up, I can't remember what he got, but he didn't do very well. And then Aaron did extremely well at that last challenge, was losing for most of it, and then he had one trade, or I think two trades that you put double the risk on one trade, and that just went flying. Yeah, so that trade did well, and you basically went from minus like 2 or 3 R to minus 3 R to 3.99 R. Okay, so really good episode. If you want to go and watch any of these guys, they're all there on the Trading Nut live stream page. Now we're here at the final. We've got Jacob versus Aaron. You're about to watch that, so let's get on to the next slide. What are they playing for? Well, the overall knockout competition winner wins $50,000 Forex funded account, evaluation account size of $12,500 from my sponsors, City Traders Imperium. So guys, if you're looking for a Forex funded account or a funding provider, go and check them out. They're supporting Trading Nut here. They have been doing so for a few months, and they're going to be doing so in the future as well. The rules: traders must place at least 3 trades before the timer ends. Okay, so that's a new rule that came in the semis. Traders can move their stop loss. The further stop loss placement used will be used to calculate the overall R of the trade. What else we got here? Traders can scale out of trades in any manner. Commission and spread is ignored when calculating R. I believe you guys are going to use TradingView to do it, so we're not actually looking at spreads and all that sort of stuff. Rankings are based on overall R gain during the time period, and open trades at the sound of the buzzer will be calculated as closed trades and added to the trader's score. And then there's one new rule here for the final. This was after, we sort of evolved things here. Can't exit at break even until the trade has been running for at least 5 minutes, only if you're leading and have placed less than 3 trades. So the reason we put that in there is so the guys don't get one good trade and then just sit on it and then take 2 break-even trades by entering and exiting. We want to push them and try and get them to make some extra trades here, which is really probably not the best way to trade. In fact, it isn't, but it's just all about skill now. And do these guys know the market well enough to make that happen? So a couple of other things, guys. I released this video last night. It's a bit of comedy. I jumped in Daniel Savage's live Forex trading room and gave it a bit of an evaluation. So if you want to go and check that out, you're going to get to see a bit about that, learn a bit about Daniel, and also, there's some knowledge in there as well that's going to be passed over. And also, we released this last week. It was an interview with Jason Stewart. Really, really good video that we shot on how he made $103,000 in one Forex trade. Okay, so this has got to be seen, guys. As he walks through it every step of the way, you can essentially understand his entire strategy by watching this video. So, guys, that's all over there on Trading Nut. Also, whilst you're here watching, do be sure to pick up my free trading robots, profitable robot that I'm giving away at the moment on tradingnut.com. So if you are watching this and you want to pick that up, I also do free training as well with that. So there's a link probably in the description if you have a look. And also check out my Robot Builders Club. So this was one of my clients who just happened to email me last week. And the guys who are in the Robot Builders Club know all about this. He emailed me last week and he said, hey, look, thanks. He joined about 3 years ago. Well, he's not an ex-client, he's still a client, but he made 7 figures selling one of the algos he built using my course. And we've done done about an hour and a half interview with him. He's given us so much information on how he actually achieved this. So all the students over there are getting access to this, and he's going to do a podcast in the future, which will be dropping. So stay tuned for that, folks. And I think that's it, guys. So I'm going to stop sharing. We're going to jump into one of your screens and check out where things are at. I'm going to hit the timer. Guys on Instagram, thanks for watching this. I know I haven't been talking to you, but I'm going to turn that off now. Guys, who's got a trade lined up?
I just placed 3 trades already and I screenshot them.
Okay, cool. So that's one thing I asked the guys to do was screenshot where their entries were and send them. We can show them. So what about you, Jacob? Have you got one? You've got one lining up?
Yeah, we're gonna set right here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take entry right here. If the market touches here, then I'll try to look for a sell. Yeah, that is basically it. Or right here, I'll try to look for a sell right here as well. Yeah.
Okay, so you're lining some trades up. Let's have a look at I'll stop you sharing there. Let's have a look at Aaron, and do you want to let us know these trades, Aaron, so that I can just log them here and the guys can go and check them out or keep an eye on them?
Yeah.
Right. Sorry, mate. Okay, so you're taking some screenshots.
Yeah, you can see your slides here as well. So when you're
okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yep. That's perfect. Okay, so what are we on? We're on GJ, NZD, and what's the other one?
GU.
GU. Okay. Sorry, I'm just going to note these down, guys, on the live streaming page. It's difficult for me to see the keyboard here. What was the last one? Or was it NZD?
USD, yeah.
USD. Okay.
Uh,
Coolio. Right. So, guys, that should be updated in the... How do I get back to this? Right. Okay. Now, guys, if you've got any questions out there, just please let us know, and we'll endeavour to get the guys answering them. So I'm just going to hit refresh here and just make sure this stuff's coming through on the live stream. Sorry, the live streaming page. Okay, cool, it is. Right, so those trades are logged there. Guys, so if you're wanting to know what trades are running, they're also logged there on the tradingnut.com/live streams link. It's the thing just underneath. It's literally the first video on the page, okay? Just underneath that, you'll see the scores and be able to check that out. Right, so let's jump back in. You scanning for more trades, and please, Jacob, let us know when your thing's getting close to an entry.
Yeah. I'm only looking for GBPUSD at the moment. I'm looking for a huge sell, huge drop. Yeah, that's all I'm looking for. GBPUSD.
And what was the reason for those trade entries, Aaron?
So with Great British Pound USD, I could have sold at this level here because there was a lot of liquidity. But mainly from my daily, it's at a very high zone, and it still hasn't dropped from this level. It's only come to this level 3 times since 2019. So when I go in, I've seen that prices react to this level here, drop down, bounced off of this, and just continued. It's broke from this level once or twice, and now it's at this level again. Whoa.
Okay, so that's breaking into drawdown, yeah?
Yeah. It's going to go to this level.
Are we looking at -1 here? Can the other thing is, are you able to move those lines to the price so that we get the arrow, because it will tell us exactly if it if it hits the stop loss or not. So this one's close. Do you want to zoom in a bit there so we can just have a quick, so the guys can have a better look, see if we're going to get it? That's so close.
Yeah.
And the reality is, like, if we were taking into consideration spread in that, it's on the hourly chart. It might have been all right. I was going to say if it was on the 5 minute, you would have been out. At 1 minute, you would have been out. Hourly, the spread you would have just kept in on that spread. Was there any particular reason on exactly where you put the stop there?
I just wanted it to be above this zone here, and it's above a couple other wicks where it's rejected.
Okay.
So if it does like break through this, then it's gonna go. I feel like it will go up to this level here, and that will be my next sell level.
And why you buy sell on this again?
Why did I sell?
Why are you selling again? Sorry. Oh, because of the trend line.
No, because this level here, prices hit it, rejected constantly. It's broke out and then returned, and then there was a major breakout. So now, it broke. Wow, that's one up.
-1?
Yeah.
Okay, -1. All right. Keeping me busy here, Aaron. That was GG.
GBPUSD.
Okay. Jacob, any news, any sign of yours? Is yours
No,
getting...
GBPUSD. I didn't take the trade. Can I just share my screen?
I'll get.
I was gonna look for a silver. Oh,
There's a wicked echo on the. Have you got headphones you can put on?
oh wait.
What? It's flying.
Are you just putting headphones?
Can you guys hear me better? Can you guys hear me better?
It was the echo that I could hear. Seems to have gone now. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it was when I was talking. I could.
By the way, I was gonna look for a silver. Oh, sorry. I was gonna look for a silver right here, but it didn't work out.
Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
Look for a silver, but it didn't work out.
And what was this? What was the sign that?
But
What
I
were you
have a
looking for
setup.
that you didn't see? Oh, you're on the
Oh
1
yeah,
minute.
I was
So
gonna
it
look for
just blew through.
just a bearish candle.
Okay.
No, I was just gonna look for a normal bearish candle right here. Right here. Just a normal bearish candle. I will take the entry, but as you can see, it just smashed above it. But I have another setup on. I think it was Euro odd. Wait. Come on, I gotta find it. Oh yeah. GPAUD. I will try to take a buy right here.
Right.
GBPAUD.
You're probably the one of the. Do you look at the 1 minute chart, Aaron?
No.
No, I think you're the only one out this whole challenge that's really gone down to the 1 minute, Jacob. It's funny, for a scalping you sort of think that most people would, but
yeah. I just
let's see if anyone's got any questions, guys. If you got any questions, let me know, and we'll see if I can have a look through them. Be sure to like the video, guys. What's going on with the like button is not being pressed, guys? Come on, we can. Last time we did this, we got to 200 likes. This is the final. I think that was like a semi-final. So I'm shooting for 250. All right. So if we can get to 250, we have beaten the 200 mark. So guys, if you're here, you haven't liked it yet, hit the like button, and let's try and get to 250. Okay. If other people are joining, tell them hit the like button. Right. Let's see if we've got some questions here. Here we go. G, you had some good news about Brexit yesterday, so I doubt it's going down. I thought that was going to be as to why the spike.
I'm going to try to look for a buy right here. This is a very, very good setup. All right. This is just a normal reaccumulation. I'll trade just like just a normal reaccumulation. So I think I'll touch this around and move up, and then maybe form distribution, and then the market will drop after that. But right now I'm looking for a reaccumulation. So yeah, I'm looking for a buy right here. I will buy right here. Yeah.
So we've got we've got 60 bars. We might if it does what you say it's gonna do, then will we get that in 60 bars? Maybe not. You might get that trade that you're after. You're right. You might get that trade if it drops quickly.
Yeah.
We're at 47 likes, guys. We're close to that 50 mark. That's the first hurdle. 3 more people.
Gold, source gold. Nothing, just consolidations. USV. Yeah, we'll try to look for buys right here. Try to look for buys right here.
Okay. Cool. Remember to take the screenshots.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to jump back to Aaron's trades and have a look at those. So, Aaron, do you want to show us your trades?
Yeah. One sec. Great British Pound, JPY. This is NZD USD,
Okay, so it's done bugger all.
basically.
Yeah.
This one's gone.
Because NZD USD, I mean, like New Zealand is just give you sort of time of day. It's 9 p.m. here. The US is like 2 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't see that pair moving at this time. Does it usually move? And my question is, does it usually move at this time? Would you see it moving like that?
I don't normally trade that pair, so yeah, I think this is the first time me trading it.
And you're trading it because it just matched your rules, yeah? That you thought?
Yeah.
Okay. So that one's it's heading into profit though, isn't it? GJ, it blew that. Hang on, you're -1R on GJ, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, sorry, I didn't record that. Okay, so you're -2R now. Well, the good news is, you came back to from -3 last time and beat everyone's score so far on the challenge. 4 hours, pretty good in a scalping challenge. I mean, what do you normally do on a normal day?
I normally trade more with like sessions, but in a normal day, I'll do for the whole week. I want to finish with 6%.
Right.
It depends how my first year is going. It's not every day that I could trade. So normally Mondays, Fridays, I don't like trading. So it depends how I feel in the days. But 6% on my account a week is what I'm looking for.
Oh, a week, okay.
A week, yeah.
Yeah. So when you're taking a trade, I mean, if you had to sort of break it down into R, I mean, what does that look like for you?
3 to 1. I always do.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 to 3. And even if it goes more, I'll just close it at 1 to 3.
Oh, okay. Even if it goes further, you'll just close it. Bang.
Yeah, like if I see that there's still a bit more room, I just close it.
And that works better than letting it run and just probably losing less than 3. And
yeah, it's like that habit. It's a habit if you keep letting all of them run, because not all of them will go away. So it's like closed. I got my target. I'm done. I can do whatever I have to do.
It's such a thing. It's like it's that greed thing, right? It's everyone wants. Oh, but if I kept it, but the thing is, the longer you keep it open, the more chance it is to, it's going to come back on you as well. So it can be good, but it can be disastrous. If you just take the profit, you take the profit, and you've banked that.
Mm-hmm.
At least the market's moving today, which is good. There's been a couple of slow shit sessions on the scalper versus scalper, and I think it's because we're doing it slightly earlier. The slower ones were when we did it a bit later in the day, and usually it does start to slow down. The big moves happen now. And what I find interesting is that you guys are like waiting for the rejection of the trend, the current trend, and as opposed to trying to trade with the trend. Thoughts around that?
If the trend breaks and there's huge confirmation, I'll wait for another retest before placing the trade anyway. But normally it reacts off trend lines as well for like GU and GJ. So yeah, that's how I just place it from trend line.
Okay, folks, this is the final. We finally got to 55 likes. So thank you for everyone who's jumped on here, hit the like button. You're doing so well. The goal is 250 likes. The goal for these guys is to get as much R as possible. in an hour and a half, of which a lot of that's eaten through now. We're at an hour and 4 minutes left. We have got a timer here which will tick down. Some of these have gone to that wire. Literally, I think who was on the last one? Was it you, Aaron? Where it just you won it. Was it? Oh no, it was Matthew. Was trying to win
Matthew.
his lead back in the last second, and he missed out by probably 1 hour or something, or half an hour. It was tight. It was tight. So yeah, guys. So these guys are trying to get as much R gained, and if you don't know what R is, see the red box on one of these trades is the R. That's the risk. So the green box to the red box, whatever they take in terms of profit, is the R gained. If they lose -1. So you can only lose -1, but you can gain as much as you want. So currently, to save you jumping on that link that's above the live chat, we've got Aaron on -2R. Jacob is yet to take a trade. He'll let us know when he takes his first trade. They've got an hour and 3 minutes left to take 3 trades. So Aaron, the good news is you've already done your 3 trades, right? So now
I am in the trade right now.
you are in a trade. Okay.
Yeah, I have a screenshot.
Okay. Well,
On my USV.
let's stop Jacob. Aaron's sharing. Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah. Here you go. Just Castle right there.
On the
That's
pullback.
USV, and here's the market right now. Yeah, exactly right there. It's exactly right there, but
Right.
we had a huge pullback, so if I just can. Oh wait, it's right there. And I'll try to look for a buy right here as well. So when the market drops, try to look for a buy right here. So I have the screenshot right here.
Okay. Do you want to just go back to the screenshot?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Zoom in a bit. Oh.
Oh. Okay. Oh shit.
Okay. So it's got the time there. So it's 8:27. 46 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. All right. I'll double check that.
Yeah. Wait.
I'll double check that.
Shit. Ouch. Wait, what did I do? Okay.
Because it's difficult on a 1 minute chart because you basically can't see the.
Yeah.
So I've got to validate. It's not that I don't believe you. Let me just jump on TradingView and get a tick chart. And what was the what was the currency pair for that? Because I'm going to have to mark this.
Hey, USV.
US30.
Yep. Stop loss as break even. Just so you know.
Okay.
If any something happens. Wait.
And US30, was this on Dow Jones Industrial? What broker was it on? Do you know?
Broker.
Was it currency.com or?
I think it's currency.com.
Okay, cool.
Wait. FX.com.
Let's go 5 second chart. Oh god, I've got to upgrade. Are you kidding me? 30 seconds. Oh. Ah, damn it. I can't do it. Okay, let's just have a look. 27. Okay, the screenshot was 27 minutes, right? But what was the seconds? 45 seconds. 46 seconds. Okay. So yeah, okay, cool. So basically, I don't. Aaron, have you got the expensive version of TradingView to double check that?
No.
Okay. Mine won't let me go to seconds. So, can I do it on?
Wait, can I check if I can go to second? No.
No. I can probably actually do it on MT5 and just double check. But it looks like it's good because that candle with 15 seconds to go, unless it dropped. So with 15 seconds to go, you're not going to be able to enter there. It's not going to go up and then drop down again with 15 to go. Aaron, do you want me to double check this, or are you happy with that trade?
No, it's all right. I don't mind.
Okay,
It's
cool. All right. I just want to make sure it's fair. It's not that I don't
No,
believe you, Jacob.
no,
It's
it's fine.
US30. Because I was actually toying with getting you guys to trade on demo accounts and
Oh yeah.
then actually into the trades, because it's just cleaner that way. And then I was like, it's gonna be too awkward. But maybe that's how I'll do the next season of Scalper versus Scalper if I do another one.
Just let me explain. So this was a normal distribution right here, and plus, if we look at this whole picture, it's a reaccumulation on use phase. So here we had a accumulation, and here I'm looking for the reaccumulation. But yeah, I took a sell right here because we had a small distribution right here.
Cool.
So yeah, that's fine.
And are you looking for it to go to that bottom of that green block?
Yeah. Then I'll try to look for a buy.
Okay.
So
if
you need to take at least 3 trades, right?
yeah, if it hits the
Yeah.
if it hits the box, is that a if it hits the
Limit?
box?
No, that's not. No, this is not a limit. Buy limit. Just leave it for now. If I close it, let me just.
Now, question. I'm just sorry. I just noticed something, mate. You got the red arrow at the top. It looks like it's hit the stop loss on that.
Red.
The
No,
little
no, no.
arrow
I
at the
took
top.
it. No, that's the wick. That's the wick. I took it right here when the candlestick. When the candlestick. I mean, how can I explain this? So basically, the candlestick was down here,
Okay, yeah, I got you.
then came down.
Yeah. You can't actually,
Yeah.
you can't fake that because it's already created the candlestick. Okay, cool. I didn't even need to check
Yeah.
it. Sorry, I've got a million things going on here that I'm trying to manage. Okay, it's weird though that it's drawn it. Oh, it's because of the wick. It's going. Okay, yeah, it's a stop loss, but because you waited for the wick. Okay, I've got it now. Right. Hence why the demo idea was actually pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so he stops at break even. Aaron, you got anything lining up?
Not yet. I'm just waiting for a couple of things.
Oh no.
Right, guys, we're at 70 likes. I think we can get to 100 pretty quickly if a few guys watching hit the like button. Can you be one of the 30 that gets us to 100? We're aiming for 250, so we've got 56 minutes to get there. So if you can hit like now and we can get up to 100, we're probably on track to get the 250, which will be a record in the final. And so getting in the trade for you, Jacob, was very much like you look at the Wyckoff and you do the analysis and or whatever method you're going to use. In the trade, Are you still looking for Wyckoff, or are you now trading, looking at it differently?
So wait, what do you mean? So
Well, now you're in the trade.
yeah, now I'm in the trade.
How are you gonna manage the trade so that you can get out, so you know you're not going to let it run to a stop loss?
Oh, well, I don't get a question. So wait,
Oh, the question is like, so now you're in the trade. It's obviously going to be quite hard to see Wyckoff in like the last 10 candles.
yeah.
What are you looking for to keep you in the trade and make you go, well, I'm going to move my stop to break even. I'm now going to exit the trade.
Yeah, I get it.
Or are you just going to let it run to the bottom?
Oh yeah, now I got it. So after this huge wick, this is a huge wick. And I always do that. After 50 pips, I always move my stop loss at break even. That's the rule I have.
Okay.
And when I saw this huge wick, I was like, if I see the next bearish candlestick, then I'll move my stop loss at break even.
Okay.
So that was why. But if I see a candlestick closes above this bullish candlestick, I will close my trade.
Okay.
Because right now I'm
And
just
what
looking
if
for
it?
low lows, low
Okay.
highs.
Right.
Just low
Yep.
lows, low highs.
That makes sense.
Those
That
are my
makes sense.
process.
Aaron, anything on your end?
Yeah, I've entered AUD USD.
Okay, let's jump. I'll stop this share and we'll jump in and have a look.
Mm.
Okay, so you entered there. That's
Yeah.
easy enough to work out. The New Zealand dollar one is going into drawdown. Is that right?
Yeah, but that's all right.
So guys, we've got Jacob is one trade in. He needs 2 more before he can finish up. So that rule does apply at the moment. If he wins this trade, well, he's not gonna lose it because he's at break even. And we've got Aaron at -2R with a couple of trades running. So yeah, Jacob needs to take 2 more trades after this, and he's got 52 minutes to do that. And the main thing here, guys, the most important thing of the night is we're still 17 likes away from 100. And we've got 250 to get to. So if you're watching this, you haven't hit like, you know what to do. Right. Anything else lining up there for you, Aaron?
No.
So what do you call your method of trading then? If Jacob's using Wyckoff and Smart Money Concepts, bank method, what would you call yours?
There isn't really a name for it, but I add multiple things together. So it's kind of like my own.
Okay.
So I swing trade as well. So I'll go from the daily all the way down to 1 hour, and then I'll go enter on the 15-minute. And then there's sometimes where I'll just use sessions and look for like break of support and resistance with trend lines and liquidity and all of that involved, and place the trade that way.
Okay. So it's your unique style. And how did you come up with your style again? I'm sure I've asked this question, but I can't remember.
No, I was with Connor, and then like when we were learning earlier on, it's like cool. You knew how to find like major support levels and everything, and then we just kept on adding onto it. So we kept learning new things and adding it onto yeah.
Okay, cool. And guys, if you don't know, Connor did he was on this first scalper versus Matthew, I believe, who you then beat in the semi-final. So that's who we're talking about. 90 likes, guys. We're so close to that 100 mark. We need a few more to get there. Try and be that 100th person, or not. Just try and hit the like button.
Nothing.
Okay, Jack John. Okay, and he's asking somebody here. The guys in the chat usually just seem to have a conversation amongst themselves. And although that's one guy, I think it's one of my clients actually for the Robot Builders Club. He said he made 3% on that session that I think you were in, Aaron.
Yeah.
With oh no, hang on, I think it was your one. Yeah, did the guy make 3% in your one?
Yeah, you said that they were saying in the chat that they're taking trades and everything.
Yeah, it's like guys, these are not necessarily the normal trades these guys will be taking. So please just proceed with caution. I mean, yeah, like if you're taking Foz's trades the other day, you would have been a bit gutted by the end of it. But it just goes to show, like, I mean, there's some really good traders that have struggled. Oh, brilliant, guys. We made it to 100. 101. Thank you very much. There's some really good traders that have struggled on these challenges because it's just not real trading, right? It's not real trading. Maybe I will do some sort of live trading, sort of just real trading floor thing.
I want to close my trade.
You're going to close it? Okay. Let's just jump out of your screen
Oh,
share.
yeah,
Yep.
1 hour.
Okay.
When the candlestick is closed, I was just like, I want to close it right here. So it was
Okay, I'll see if...
right down
Okay.
here.
1 hour. Okay.
Yeah, 1.25.
1.25 hour. Okay. So, and that was in line with what you said, the close above that close. Now, I'm going to see if that screen comes through. Oh, yeah, brilliant. Okay. Sometimes you got a bit of a lag on this thing. So, okay, +1. Well done. +1.
Yep.
And 2 trades to go with 48 minutes. So what's your next idea for a setup, Jacob?
I have AUD CAD already accumulation again. Yeah, if it touches here, I'll try to look for buys. I don't know, the market is very, very slow. Can't see any good setups.
Hypothetically, what if it gets down to like the wire? At what point are you going to start? Because you've got 2 more to go, right? So in the rule, you've got to be in a trade at least 5 minutes if you're leading, which you are, and you can't take it for break even.
Just look. Yeah, I'll try to look for this. This looks much better. This looks much better.
How are those trades looking, Aaron? Where are you at with NZD, AUD, USD?
It's the same spot, literally.
Okay.
It's still in, yeah.
Exciting times here, guys. Exciting times. Guys, if you've got any questions for these two, please feel free to lob them in. Tunes over 9,000. You have to look up what FOMO means. It's a good one to look up. It's a good one to look up. I don't know if you're showing your age there, or I don't know. At one stage, I don't know what it meant. We've done well on the likes though, guys. We've got to 106 now. 106, 108. They're jumping up. They're jumping up dramatically. These guys want to get to 250, which is great to see. And if you're liking, well, you may as well subscribe while you're there. If you're not subscribed to the channel, because we do these things regularly. In fact, I've got Trader versus Trader coming up next. Probably going to get the first one out next week. So this is, ironically, the thing that Jacob won a few months ago or a couple of months ago. It's where we go into TradingView replay mode. And I'll answer that question in a minute about when we go into TradingView replay mode and do this, but it's a lot faster. You're going to see 5 trades, bang, bang, bang. We've done this before. Jacob won it with some ridiculous R. We're trying to try and cap that a bit by putting some restrictions on. But yeah, I mean, Aaron, you by all means could have a crack at it if you wanted to. It might be something that interests you, but anyone who's keen, I've got a whole bunch of people at the moment, so I'm going to sort of filter those out and come up with some guys. And we'll do this again on the live stream. Now, when will you invite ICT? Well, look, Mushin, I actually did invite ICT, and he had replied to me about an interview where, who was it, AntFX was one of his students, and he was very concerned that, you know, what he was sharing was not going to be ICT wasn't going to be happy with it. And anyway, so he did reply to me, at which point I replied back saying, hey, do you want to come on and do a TradingView replay challenge? And his view, he actually didn't reply to me. he didn't reply to me, and then he shut down his Twitter, and you cannot contact him anymore. And this is a bit of a shame because the episode I've got coming out tomorrow is an ex-ICT student. In fact, the guy was banned by ICT, and we've got this. I've been trying to contact him to say, hey, I've got this interview coming out. The guy was banned by you. You banned him, and I just want to make sure it's all good. But I can't contact the guy, so I'm just going to release the interview and sort of put a word in the warning in there to ICT and say, hey, look, if you don't like it, mate, let me know. I can't contact you, so you're going to have to tell me, and we can do something about it. But yeah, long story short, that's why ICT is probably not going to come on and do this. Tufik from Malaysia, hey, welcome. I was in Malaysia last year, funnily enough. Okay, so we're 43 minutes left. We're halfway through, and we're not even halfway to our 250 likes on the video. Guys, if you're watching, you haven't liked it yet, this is your chance. Now, yeah, smash the like button. Go on, Raphael. Smash the like button. Right, what was I going to say here? Aaron, how are those trades going? Shall we share your screen, yeah?
Yeah.
The market's very, very slow.
It's a bad start, man.
So you're waiting for it to get to that level, are you, for the GU?
Yeah, I'm just watching. This is the level that I would actually sell at, but I'm just watching price moves.
Yeah. So did you haven't entered on that one, have you? I haven't got it.
No. It's this one.
Actually, do you guys want to make sure you move your, red and green to the actual price when you enter as well, just so that we can see the arrow going up and down. So that will let me know that okay, this one's in, this one's not in. So that one was in, wasn't it?
Yeah, this one was in.
Okay. So that one's almost stopped out as well. Now there was a question here, I think.
Did I place AUD USD?
Yep. It stopped out already.
Already, just flying up.
Jeez. Okay, you're at -3, and New Zealand's not looking good either.
I'm -3 right now.
You're -3.
Okay, it's not impossible, isn't it?
No, that's not impossible. We've seen where you ended up last time. From -3, you did very well in the end with one good trade. NZ, okay, you carry on, mate. You carry on because you probably got some thinking to do here.
Yeah.
Let's see. There's some questions here. Oh, okay. The question is for you, Aaron. So even though you're thinking, how did you get started on your FX journey? If you don't mind saying again.
So one of my friends first started doing it, but the way he was doing it, he didn't do no course or nothing. He thought that he'll be able to learn everything by just looking at the charts directly. So once he started telling me about it and everything, I then went on to find myself a mentor and a course. And then my mentor went through it with me. And then after I finished the course, my mentor taught me everything like risk management and was showing me live on the charts. I then found out that one of my school friends, Connor, was doing it as well. So then we came together and just shared a lot of information.
That's it, guys. That's it. That's how they do it. Connor's episode is up there in round 1 if you want to check it out. He was on the experimental group and he did well. Well, actually, he did terribly. He did terribly.
He did bad.
Yeah, he did terribly. Yes, correct. DJ Uru 84 ICT. I did interview ICT, so he does know me. But yeah, he's gone silent now. He's gone underground. Chris Laurie. Oh yeah, it's a good point. Get Chris Laurie on. That could be interesting. Yeah, I haven't actually reached out to him, so maybe I'll reach out to him and see if he wants to have a go. Now this guy will destroy. Maybe not the scalping challenge, but the replay challenge. I'm sure he'd destroy it. So we got here, smash the like button. ICT has a huge ego and he's scared to come. Right, we're getting up there, guys. 125 likes. Thank you very much. We're getting up there. We're getting there. If we can nudge to 150 in the next 10 minutes, I think we've got a chance of getting that last 100. Jacob, I'm going to share your screen, I'm going to stop Aaron, let him concentrate. Do you want to share yours?
Yeah. I don't have any setups, only on GBPAD. But that will take that will take like 20 minutes, maybe 20 minutes.
Right.
But I think, but I think I want to take out. Or maybe take a buy.
Aaron is currently winning. Aaron is currently winning by default. Because if you don't take 2 more trades in the next 38 minutes, he's,
here's up. Yeah, I will try. All right. I'm in a buy.
Okay, move it up one little bit.
So I'm in a buy.
Move it up one little bit because you're in it just a little bit up. When you said I'm in a buy, it was just up a little bit. Yeah, that's about right.
All right.
Yeah, this
is just a normal breaks and retests.
The demo works better.
All right, let's watch this.
So
if I have luck, come on.
You trade US30 quite a bit?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I trade it a lot.
Do you find it moves like Forex or?
Nah. I mean, for Wyckoff, works perfectly.
Right.
For the Wyckoff strategy, I'm using it. But right, this is not the Wyckoff, by the way. This is just a normal breaks and retest, as you guys can see.
Yep.
If I have luck right now, it will go up. But yeah, it works perfect on USFA. It is actually my favorite pair. USFA. Yeah. Let me just zoom in. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Come on. If it hits take profit, that's 2. Oh, I'm so lucky. Oh, take profit.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's
making it hard. So what's 2.69?
69. Yeah.
2.69. All right. Nice trade.
Yeah. Thanks. That was just luck. Oh, if I just move. Oh my.
So it's 3.69R is your total so far.
Yeah, one more trade to go.
One more trade to go, and Aaron is 3 down. Did the NZD USD still holding it, Aaron, or?
Yeah, still holding.
Still holding. So it's 3. Yeah, so 3 down, 3 up. And 34 minutes to go with 132 likes. Oh, we're going to struggle to get the 250, guys. If you're watching, you haven't hit like, that's all you need to do, hit like. And we're trying to get to 250 today. So if you've just joined, this is the reason you want to do it. If we can get to 250, then we've achieved, and we've got the best likes on one of these lives, I think, to date, funnily enough.
Write it down. It's moving good.
Nick Styles, are they taking their... Yeah, they're not taking trades on live accounts because they can't do TradingView and the live at the same time. We did sort of go in with the intention of doing this on live accounts, but it does get a little bit sort of difficult to get every single trader wanting to place the trade on a live account, where a lot of them do use TradingView to do the markups and stuff, and then go to their live accounts. I mean, geez, I was watching Daniel Savage's thing. He would look at the chart and then place all his trades on the phone, and the chart would be TradingView MT4 on the phone, but never had a MT4 thing. There's so many people up there that don't know how to use the actual terminal, the trade, like the MetaTrader 4 trading terminal or any other sort of trading terminal. They just trade on their phones, which is an art in itself. How many? Mushin Jacob is up by 6.69R. He's got one trade to go, though, so if he doesn't place the last trade, or if, I suppose even if he does, the last trade's going to leave him at 2.69. So you're looking to get in at some point?
No. I'll get in when the market comes back down. I'll tell you. So, no.
My NZD gone.
Gone? Okay.
All right, okay. I'm in.
Okay.
Oh, it was probably here. I'm in. It was probably here. I took this trade, so yeah. Put it on. So I think this one hits stop loss. Yeah.
I entered the trade as well.
You took another one? What was it on?
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna. Oh, I just missed it. Wait, when it returns, I'll take it.
Is that -1 for you, Jacob?
What?
Was that -1? No?
No, there's no minus. I'll tell you.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. That's all good. That's all good.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry, what was the pair, Aaron? Aaron, what was the pair?
Euro, Great British Pound, but I just missed my. Actually. Yeah, I'm in.
You're in? Okay.
Oh, no. Go on. All right, I'm gonna close my trade. It was somewhere around here. Sorry. It was somewhere around there. So that is 0.83.
I'll get the calculator out for that.
Okay, and that is your JIP, right? So
4.52. So it's 4.52 is your total. Aaron, you've got to get 8.52, 8.53 to claw it back now. Hopefully, Euro GBP goes on an absolute amazing run. Should we just jump over to your screen and have a look at this trade that you've taken, Aaron? Guys, there's a link at the top of the chat for the scores. If you want to get the live scores, there's a link at the top of the chat and also down below the video as well. So you can have a look and see what trades have been taken, who's got what, and what was that last one, Jacob? 0.089, was it?
No, 0.083. Yeah.
I forgot to write it down. Okay, so you're in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So just to give you an idea, you got 29 minutes left now.
What was it? What's the total score?
4.52 R to you and minus 4 R
Okay.
to Aaron.
All right.
So this is what what's his name Matthew did last week. Was he had a decent score? He was in. He was all right. He was up, and then Aaron came back and gazumped them at the very last minute, and
That was a close one, man.
it was close though. It was down to
Very
the wire
close, very close.
because Matthew then tried to come back with one last Hail Mary trade, and it was moving in the right direction. He didn't quite get it, but look, it was against his style. Like his style was not to enter, 3 trades in an hour and a half. So hopefully we're not bringing bad habits in here, guys. So if anyone took Jacob's trades, I mean, because that US30, right? What would the spread have been like on the 1 minute chart on those trades? Just out of interest.
Are you asking me?
Yeah. So I'm just
The
wondering
spread?
if they were
I don't know.
achievable from like if you were going to look at it from a an actual trading that point of view.
Yeah.
How much would the spread have been come into play and taken a lot of that profit away?
In a lot. I don't know how much, but it would take a lot. Yeah. I normally don't trade 1 minute in the 1 minute time frame in USFA.
Yeah.
I usually do day trading and swing trades on USFA. Just yeah. But I don't know. I think it would take a lot. So that was not the perfect entry on USFA if you would want to take it on a live account. But yeah. Right, I'm gonna look for the same thing. Sell on Japan. I'm not in a sell, but I will tell you. I will take a screenshot.
Okay, so let's have a look at. I'm just gonna have a look at some. Cam, when can we expect to have Chris Laurie on your channel? I'm really curious. In fact, Chris has done an interview with me, Mushin. So if you want to go and check that out, I think it's like episode 6 or something, quite low in the numbers. Go and check that out. Can I get Rock's FX on your show? I tried, mate. I've messaged him about 100 times. The only time he's responded to me was when I accidentally posted one of his Instagram stories on my Instagram, and he got notified of it, and he made a comment on the thing, and I went back saying, "Oh, sorry, I didn't realise it was in my chat." And yeah, and then I said, "How about coming on the show?" And he didn't reply. So it's like the weird thing is, like, I've been trying to get Q Banks on. I had a chat with Q Banks the other day on Instagram, and he sounded keen, and then he just went cold, and I was like, what? And so, I mean, it can be difficult getting these guys on. There's no reason for them to come on. It's like they're doing well already. They don't really need to come on the show and prove themselves. But it sounds like at some point I will get Wicks Don't Lie on. He seems keen, but just very busy. We had that impromptu Daniel Savage on the other day doing the replay challenge. That's why he invited me to his live stream, which, it's a different beast. The replay challenge is a different beast because it's all condensed down. It's not real trading. And I think the difference is if you're a mechanical trader or a systematic trader, so you've got a specific system set up that you look for, then the replay mode is actually probably is better suited to you. Whereas if you're more of a discretionary, intuitive, like trader, really looking at every sort of detail, you're not going to get that in the replay mode. And I'm pretty sure he's that kind of trader because he was in the session. He took 2 trades, and I was like, these aren't even really sort of, they're not proper setups, but break even on the first, went to profit, almost profit, take profit twice, and then the second one went to target, and he picked the low of the day. So anyway, Jacob is mad. Have you asked ZFX?
I have a
to
setup.
do-
I
You got to set up on.
on your GPY. That's if I just look at gold
Just you
for
got
a
to set up,
second.
or you're in.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I've
Okay.
just got a really good setup.
Okay. Is it going to be close to coming on in?
No. It'll
Okay.
take like 5 minutes. Five.
Uh, no pressure here, Aaron. But 23 minutes.
I don't even see nothing, man. That's appealing to me.
Well, put it this way: you can't go. You can't go wrong.
Like that.
There's no money being exchanged here. You cannot go wrong.
Oh, okay.
I've taken 3 trades, right?
You've taken 3, yeah.
So yeah, perfect. So I don't have to take any more trades if I want.
You don't need to take any more trades now.
Yeah, perfect.
It's only if you'll be pressured to take trades if Aaron decides to do what Foz did and scale in on the same trade with like multiple entries, which is something you can do. So if you want to say, look, if I lose this trade, I'm going to lose 3R or 4R or 6R or whatever. But if I win it and I take the 6R off at 1R, then I'm going to make 6R. And in fact, looking at Aaron, he probably would want to do 4 trades, maybe more, and try and get out at 1.25R.
I can do 4 trades on this.
You can do 4 trades on this. It's gonna put the pressure on Jacob because he won't be able to sit there and just chill out.
But that's not the realistic, innit?
It's not realistic, but
No.
it's achievable if you want to do that. If you want to play ball, it'll make Jacob look for another trade and perhaps go, well,
I have set up. I'm gonna take us as soon as possible on this pair.
okay, I'm gonna.
So
So hang on, are you in on that Euro GBP?
no, I didn't take that.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, okay, sorry, I didn't. Oh yeah,
And I told you as well.
Oh, sorry, I did make a note of it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I did make a note. Sorry.
So I'll try to look for a sell right there.
You might need to share your screen again, Jacob. I don't think we're going to get it coming through.
Oh, wait.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Boom.
Oh, yep, there we
Can you
go.
see my
It's
screen?
come through. Yeah, it's come through. Guys, we've got 25 minutes,
Perfect,
20 minutes left.
perfect.
We've got 156 likes. We're trying to get to 250. Can you please hit the
So-
like button now if you haven't? Right, Jacob, what have you got?
I'll try to wait. Let me just. I'll try to maybe take 2 trades on this. No, wait. I'll tell you. I'll take. Wait. Let it come back down, and I'll try to look for a sell.
You still there?
Oh, if Cam's in. Cam,
Pardon?
can you hear me? I think Cam's internet just turned off. No, not funny. Yep, Cam. Yep, Cam's into the sun off. So it is just me and you here. All right. So
Do you want to stop or carry on?
yeah,
Like, do you want to pause while it comes back or?
yeah, we should wait for him. Market's very slow. Team market is very slow. Very. Right. So wait. Hold on. Right, let's see. We can keep it on. Cam just said we can. So if you want to just take entry, just take a screenshot. All right. So we can just we'll keep going. There's 19 minutes left. All right. 19 minutes left. I'll probably look for a setup. I have a pretty good setup on GBP OD. I'll try to take a buy right here. But yeah, if you want just take a trade, just take a screenshot. Cam just so you can keep going. Keep going.
Alright, cool.
All right.
Yeah.
So, all right, I have a pretty good setup on GBP AUD, guys. So, I'm just gonna wait for it. So, by the way, this is just Wyckoff accumulation. I'm only trading Wyckoff today on the scalper because I don't normally scalp, and yeah, and smart money concept and the other strategies I use doesn't work for scalping. That's why. So if we just look at Bitcoin. Yeah, now it's time to give yourself a shout out. So follow me on Instagram, GWR FX underscore 27. Follow me on Instagram. Boom. There you go. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And I'll try to look for a buy right here. Now it's time to give yourself a shout out. So just give me a sec. Follow me. Grab. So here you go, boys. Cheese all we got. Okay. Alright, Cam's just trying to get the internet back. So we can keep going. So is this still live or?
I don't know. Let me check it. I'll check it.
Yeah. Sorry. 15 minutes to go. Alright. So it's 15 minutes to go. Yeah, no setups yet. Guys, Cam's gonna come back. Don't worry. And
Yeah, it's still live. It's still live. I'm in the Great Fantasy entry as well. And
what?
I've got 2 entries running.
Oh yeah. You can just share screen and show us the 2 entries now.
1 second. Three tips.
All right. Oh, Nice. Do you have a screenshot on that?
Yeah, I got a screenshot.
Right. Yep, that's perfect. That is perfect. That's perfect. Yep, that's perfect. That's perfect. I accept that. All right. So what pair is that? So up here.
Great British Pound USD.
Oh fuck.
And
So you're on free trades right now, right?
yeah,
All right. So free trade. So, well, I don't have a setup, guys. I'm looking for G. Yeah. And I think it's. Oh, I've got 6 new followers. Guys, keep following me. Keep following me and Aaron. So yeah, just looking for a good setup. I'm looking for a reaccumulation on GBPUD. As you guys, we took a USV sell. Didn't work out that good, so they closed it. I think Cam's is back. Yeah, Cam's back.
Okay.
So now,
Guys, I'm back. Just. Can you hear me?
yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. All right. Looks like we're still streaming. Unfortunately, so this is 3G or 4G or whatever I'm on, but it's not the flashiest. What's going on? So we've got about 10 minutes left. My internet has died.
So I think he took 3 trades, and I'm still looking for a setup.
Okay. Right.
He took 3 trades. And I think 2 of them hit take profit. Did you close the 2 trades?
no, not
I
yet.
think you closed the 2.
I was just gonna
Not yet.
close it here, but it's. And I got Euro, Great British Pound. So there.
That's running good.
Okay, that's good.
Oh shit! You might do a comeback.
I'm literally. This weird thing is, it's showing that I've got the internet, and nothing's happened. Device detected of the resource is not responding. I might have to plug it.
I'll try to take an entry as soon as possible.
Come on.
My take profits I'm running, by the way.
Yeah. So how many? So you're on -4, and where are you at now?
I've nearly got 3R back from Great British Pound USD. I saw Jacob saw it as well. He said it's fine.
Yeah.
And then on this one, it's dropping now.
Okay,
That would
so
have
it takes you to -1.
That would have been 2R for Great British Pound JPY. And then I got this one, Euro Great British Pounds.
That's running good.
What? It's only 1 point. Wow.
This is your trade, Jacob.
Oh no, I'm not in trade. No, I'm
You're
not in trade.
Okay.
No, I'm not in trade. So I'm still looking for a trade.
Why is this not working?
I'll try to take impulsive entries, but thing is, wait, did you close any trades?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
All right.
Right, let me just. I'm going to get some headphones on here.
So how many minutes is it left? I think you can't hear us, but that's all good.
How many minutes are left? About 9.
9.
Yeah.
I'll just put the timer in. 9 minutes left.
I'm in on this trade as well.
Right.
Sorry, you guys couldn't see me, could you? Okay.
So you on a free trades, right?
I'm in 4 trades now.
4 trades. Oh shit. So how many of them is on profit?
Wait, I'll check in a bit.
Oh, that's stop loss. Oh no.
Huh?
Did that hit stop loss? No.
No, I'm placing this one now.
Oh, right. My bad.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
See how hard my job is, Jacob?
What?
See how hard my job is?
Yeah, I'm in this one.
So you're gonna take that trade?
Yeah, I'm in that one already.
All right.
I'm not gonna clear. I'm just gonna keep everything running to the end.
So if that hits take profit, how many orders is that? Can you just?
Um,
No, that trade, that trade you won. Yeah, down. Yeah.
but
If that hits, how many orders? That's one. All right. I'm gonna also look for one or entries. One order entry. So GBP they will not work. It's 9. I think it's 7 minutes left. I will not take any entries.
Guys, I'm just going to go see if we can reset this internet.
Yep. Yeah, no worries. I'm the host. Wait, oh fuck. Alright. So the total score is -4 and +4.
yeah.
But you have 4 trades running and I have no trades running. So you might do a comeback. So I'll try to look for entry. It's GBP, Euro GBP is in profit. So that was free signal for you guys. Did you take that in the 1 minute? Oh no, that was in the 5. Alright, so if you close that, that's 2. Oh shit! I need to take an entry. No fuck.
Okay. Oh, difficult decision. Oh yes. Let's go.
Are you gonna close it?
So this one, did that hit my? Oh no. No, it's
No.
fine. It's
Yeah,
fine.
but it will hit you take profit.
I'll tell you how much time we got left.
Yeah. I'm keeping my take profit running on
5 minutes.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
So where are we at, lads?
5 minutes.
this is your great.
I mean, he has 4 trades running.
Okay, I'll close this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
You close it? Okay.
Yeah.
That's free.
Free R.
Free order.
Just so you can
And I'm
see.
in and I'm in a CHF what's it called CHF JPY sell. I have a screenshot on it as well.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna close the. No, I think I don't know. Okay, can I share my screen 2 sec? 2 sec. I download to it to take profit. Let me share my screen. Okay. Now you can share screen. Sorry. So yeah, CHF JPY is running in profit. I have a screenshot on it, so if you guys want to see it later. It was just a normal breaks and retest. I might close it right now. So okay. I'm up 2R if I close it right now. I'm up 2R. Okay. It's 5 minutes left. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Oh, that one. Oh.
I'm trying to get back in. Troubleshoot problems. Come on.
Okay, if I close CHF JPY, that would be 2 RTR, but I don't want to close right now.
Huh?
If I close CHF JPY, that would be 2 RTR. But I don't. I'm still gonna keep. So it's 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left.
What?
Come on.
So
Come on,
who's
come on.
winning at the moment? Is Aaron managed to come back or
It's
not?
me. No.
I'm confused now.
So I'm in one trade right now. I'm in only one trade. That is CHF JPY and I have a screenshot. On this.
So this one, wait, where? Yeah, this one I'm closing. No, 1 now. I'll close that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna close my on 2 R2R. And a 1.7 R2R on my CHF JPY. Just gonna close it. CHF JPY at 1.7 R2R. Cam, just so you know that.
Yeah. I've sort of lost here, guys. I'm like literally. It's the weird thing is I can see the internet, but it says connected, but it's not working now.
Yeah, so that is 1.7 R2R on CHF JPY. Let me just share my screen to a sec. Can you just stop share to? All right, now perfect. Here we have that CHF JPY. Here we have it before. So want us to check that. That is 24. If you guys can see that, 24. And I took it right there and I closed it at 1.7.
I'm gonna try one last thing.
Wait, what? I don't even know what's total score. I think you did a comeback. If I'm wrong, if I'm right. Still looking for a trade. This is if I would
Must be coming to an end here in a second, guys.
Yeah, I closed this one at
I'm gonna
1.
take. I'm gonna take a sell. I'm gonna the market did a pullback and take profit right there.
We're literally down to the last seconds.
Okay.
That's closed.
All right.
It's
I'm
done.
Not. All right. Now it's 1 minute. It's 1 minute left. 1 minute. So in that 1 minute, if I have luck, it will go down. I'll close my trade. Yeah. Break even. I'll close my trade at break even. All right. So what happened? So who won?
I'm putting my thingy.
You can share a screen. I think I won.
I think you won, Jacob. We'll have to go back and have a look. But does it seem like you won? Do you feel like you won?
Yeah. I think I won. I think his total score is like 2 R2R plus R2R. Right.
Right, I'm just going to try. I'm going to try and get back on the internet here. There we go. The time is up, guys. Whatever you ended up with is that's the score we've got.
Yeah, that's cool.
Now, what I'm going to try and do is just.
All right, I can calculate. So tell me if you want. You can just tell me the R2R.
Okay, what I'm going to try and do is just. I'll let you guys carry on just chatting for a second while I try and get this tethered up to the
1.58 plus. Do you have any more trades? That was one. Was that free? Free R2R plus any more? 1 point. I already calculated that. Oh wait, 1.4 plus any more trades?
This one
that stop. Oh,
No,
all
no, no.
right.
This is it's because it's
Oh, yeah,
continuing
yeah.
up.
Yeah. So that is 0.59. 0.59. Wait, it's 0.59. Do you have any more trades?
This one, 1.28.
1.28. Is that the last one? 1.28. Is that the last one?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that is the last one. We calculate everything. That you got 7.66 R2R gain. So that is you got 2 R2R, as I said, 2 R2R plus, and I've got 5. So yeah, basically yeah, 5.
Okay, brilliant. Guys, I'm going to end it there because it's just a disaster over here. I don't know what the hell's going on. The internet dropped and the computer's showing it's got the internet, but it's not working. Something's gone wrong. So I'm going to need to fix this now. Everyone, thank you for watching what ended up being a disaster, but a great effort from both Jacob and Aaron. Jacob, well done. Again, you've won again, mate. This, I can't believe it. Unbelievable. Scalping and doing the Trading View replay challenge. So you're definitely not a fluke. Guys, any final words before we wrap up?
Yeah, thank you for watching and well done, Jacob.
Thank you so much. Well done. And make sure to hit the like button. And see you guys in the next video.
Okay, cool. Thanks, guys. And guys, I'm probably going to struggle to stop this live stream. Hopefully it does stop. So I'm going to try and do it from Zoom here and sort my stuff out. But thank you for watching, guys. Trader vs. Trader coming up again. Hopefully I can sort my internet out. I don't like this happening. Not too sure why it is, but we'll get this sorted. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And thanks, guys, for taking part. Congratulations, Jacob, again. Commiserations, Aaron. And everyone, have a great day, and we'll